you want to unpair your Garmin Tactix or Garmin Fenix from your phone on the Garmin Connect application, I'm talking about this application just right here, the Garmin Connect app. If you want to unpair it, you can go on the watch just right here and then press the 3 button just right here and do remove device. So Garmin Tactix is currently yet as your preferred activity tracker. Set a new tracker. Actually, if I want to put another one, could do it. Are you sure you want to remove your Tactix Delta Solar? You will no longer be able to sync your device with Garmin Connect Mobile. So yes, remove. And the watch is yet remove. Then, if you want to pair it back, or if you want to pair your Garmin Tactix or Garmin Fenix with a new phone, you will need to go into this application. You will do add device, and on the watch you will press and hold the menu button and you will go down to phone. From here, select phone, and at the very bottom you will see pair phone. Select it and just wait for it. So do we want to connect it? Yes, connect it. Okay. Yes, it will be my preferred activity tracker. And the setup is complete. Next, I want to set do not disturb time during nighttime. You want to receive notification between these time. Actually, I don't. Next, almost done. Sync your device. Sync now. And it's actually syncing. You can get out of that menu. They are already paired together and it will work as paired device. So this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps. If yes, please smash the like button. If you are planning to buy this watch, you can see my link in the description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can find me back easily next time you need help. If you want to see my other tutorial about this watch, you can see my playlist just right here. And you can also find me on my main channel just right there. Thank you for watching. Take care and see ya.